set, your moves, your movements, and your skills come in is directing the movements, understanding which movements to do at which times. Then there's strategy and tactics that come into play, and that's all mental. And our expression of our mind and the mental is in the physical, is where I use my body to express what my strategy is, what my technique is going to be, and whatever. So I think that's where the mental side comes in. And oftentimes people talk about physicality and wanting to be physical, but they forget that physicality comes from a mental point first, before the physical action is done. Specifically when you are cognitively aware, I mean, it's one thing if you in a flight and fight state where you have to react. But when you're playing a sport, when you're in a fight and you're controlling the mental space, you can control the outcome.